Web server. A web server is a program that, using the client and server model and the World Wide Web Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTP, serves the files that form web pages to web users, whose computers contain HTTP clients that forward the requests. Every computer on the internet that contains website must have web server program. Two leading web servers are Apache, the most widely installed web server, and Microsoft Internet Information Server, IIS. Other web servers include Novell's web server for users of its NetWare operating system and IBM's family of Lotus Domino server, primarily for IBM's OS/390 and AS/400 customers. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Step 1. Connecting the computers. In connecting the two computers, we need to use a straight-through UTP cable. Here. That's it.
Step 2, IP configuration. After we connect the both computers with UTP cable properly, we must configure their IP address of both computers. This is the host and this is the client. Now, we must configure the first computer, the host or the server. We must configure their IP address by 1.1 and the client in 1.2. So, we proceed now to the host, the computer one. We go to start, then control panel. After we go to control panel, go to network and internet, network and sharing, then change adapter setting, then enter local area connection. Go to properties, go to internet protocol version 4, then go to its properties. So, as I said, right now that the computer 1 is the host, we use the IP address 1.1. Click OK. So that's it. After we configure the IP address of computer 1, now we must go to computer 2, the client. We must change this IP address by 1.2. We proceed now. Go to start, then control panel, network and internet, network and sharing, change adapter setting, local area connection, properties, then go to internet protocol version 4, properties. That's it. We must use the following IP address: 192.168.1.2 and its subnet mask. Click OK. Now, that's it. The two computers configure their IP address, the host, the 1.1, and the client 1.2.
Hi, I'm Maria Maydin. After we configure the IP address of both computers, we must ping test. First, we must go to CMD. run as administrator. This is the server. To test the ping, we must type ping 192.168.1.1. And if it is replying, it's okay. Then to test the ping of the client, we must type ping 192.168.1.2. If it's replying, then it is connected to client. Then and to test the client, we also go to CMD. To ping the client, we must type ping 192.168.1.2. Ping 192.168.1.2. If it's replying, it's okay. Then we must ping the server. Ping 192.168.1.1. If it's replying, then it's connected to the server. Bye.
Hi, I'm Carla. Step 4, the downloading Apache. To download the Apache, you need go to browser. Then type the http apache.org/download.cgi. Then go to Then select the Win32 binary including OpenSSL 0.980. Then after the download the Apache, you run it and install the Apache. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Princess Elisa Vargas. Step 5, configuring the Apache. To configure the Apache, we need to all programs. Click the Apache HTTP, reconfigure and edit. Find the word listen. We need to type the IP address server. And the port. And we need to save it. And done.
Hi, I am Javan. The last step of configuring the Apache server is you can now save an HTML file on it. So we now go to Start. We can now go to Start and go to the computer. Go to the C drive. Go to Program Files. The Apache group. The Apache 2. And Apache 2. Then here in htdocs, you can now save files from it. And now, as you can see, I saved files a while ago, so we can now check it from the computer too. So here in the server, you can check the files. You can go to the browser and you can now type the computer name or the IP address of the server. So I am now using the computer name. as you can see, later the computer name is not working, so I used the ping or the IP address. As you can see in the index, you can see that the files that I saved is shown in this browser. So it is okay now. So let's check the files which has the server to the client. So now let's open the browser. Okay, then in the address bar you can type the IP address or the computer name of the server. So I'm gonna use the IP address of the server. The IP address of the server is 192.168.1.1. So here you can see the page of the Apache. So it is not working now in the IP address. So you can check also in the computer name of the server, which is IMGBin. And now, as you can see, the client can see the files or the HTML files from the server. And now it is okay. The Apache web server is now working. And now it is done. So I hope that you find it easy. And you can now use the Apache.
I'm waiting on you.
Thank you.
I'm waiting on you. Come on and let me sneak you out and have a celebration, a celebration. The music up, the windows down. Yeah, we'll be doing
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선호해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 성숙해 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 너는 선호해 점잖아 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 선호해 내가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선호해 근육보다 사상이 울퉁불퉁한 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 옵